Welcome back to the channel, and here we are with an unbox of the Razr Fold. Now I'm excited to try out this device because I've been using the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series for quite some time, and to be honest, I'm quite disappointed with the lack of innovation there. So here we have the packaging, Motorola at the top. We have Razr Fold 2026, and this has kind of a holographic like appearance to it. And you'll also see at the bottom we're going to have sound by Bose. That's also in holographic like text as well. I think that's pretty cool. Turn into the side here, we're going to have Motorola branding. It kind of looks semi holographic, and the rest of the packaging is going to be pretty simple here. On the other side, we're going to have plastic free packaging and just phone information, that kind of thing. But the lid's going to slide off nice and smooth here as soon as we can get it to slide, and some gentle shakes and that gets it going there. And then we're going to have the Razr Fold underneath here. Now, interesting note, the Razr Fold is made by Lenovo. My understanding is that Lenovo purchased the Motorola division. I'll have to do more research onto that though. So we have the Razr Fold in this black color. It kind of looks a little green though in person. It's like a black combined with a dark green. And then we have this tab. If we pull up on it, we can pull the Razr Fold out here. And then we have the Razr Fold wrapped in this protective, probably recyclable paper possibly. And it's going to give us a warning: do not remove the pre-installed screen protector or add another one, as this will damage the display. So something to keep in mind there. There is a pre-installed display protector on the main display. So I'm going to go ahead and take off the protective film here. Just looking for where we might do that, and it looks like it's going to be done on this side here. Peel that off. And then that should just go like this. We're going to slide that right out. And there we have the Razr Fold there. So initial impressions, this is really thin. I thought it was going to be thicker compared to the Z Fold 7 because we have a larger battery, even though it's the silicon carbide type, which I believe Samsung is not using in the Z Fold at the moment. So larger capacity. I think basically you could fit more density into the battery while still keeping it compact, and that may be why the phone is still very slim. And then we have the fold in action here. Now there is a curved display on the Razr Fold, interesting note there, so applying display protectors might be a bit of a challenge. But this closes really smooth and it opens really smooth, and you can also position this at multiple angles for viewing. That's going to be really cool here. I also noticed that at certain angles the buttons look kind of green, and I'm guessing it's the volume up and volume down. But overall this looks really nice. I like this textured pattern on the back. The housing for the cameras, that has again a green accent to it. We have the Motorola logo on the back, Razr branding on the back. Let's take a look at the hinge. That looks really nice. This does look very similar to the Galaxy Z Fold series. So if you're used to that, you're going to be used to this. It's going to have a similar layout. So this is looking really impressive. I can't wait to power this on, try it out, learn new things about Motorola software, and create content about it. So stay tuned.